Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Gothel from Disney Tangled in Dress to Impress. Okay guys, let's get into it. First of all guys, you can choose all these hairstyles and you're going to color it black. And for this hairstyle, you can choose only bangs and you're going to color it black. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to go to the changing room here. Okay, and I'm going to choose this card set from the witch set, this one, and then we're going to color it with this red color. Okay, for the first selection, the second selection, the third selection, and for the lace, I'm going to color it with this color. Oops, not this one, but this one guys. Okay, and for the last selection, I'm going to make it this color, and then we're going to change the material to metallic. Okay, you can select metallic like this for the first selection until the fourth selection. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to put on the sleeves. We're going to make it the same color, this one, for the first selection and also the second selection, and then I'm going to make it metallic for the first selection and also the second selection. And you're going to put on this skirt, and again we're going to make it this color for the first selection and also the second selection, and then for the material, just make it metallic. Alright, done. And then I'm going to select the sleeves from the withered rose set, this one, and apply the same color. Okay, done. And I'm going to make it metallic. Okay guys, and then I'm going to go to the world culture clothing area. It's here. And then I'm going to select this skirt. And we're going to apply the same color. Oops, sorry guys, I forgot to show you the color code. This is for the color code. Okay, and again, make it metallic. Okay, and I'm going to move to the next area. I'm going to go to this area and I'm going to put on this item. This one. Okay, we can select toggle 2. Alright, and for the color, I'm going to make it this color. Okay, and then I'm going to move to this area and we're going to grab this item. Okay, and for the color, you can make it this gold color for the first selection and also the second selection. And if you have VIP, you can move to the VIP room and then you're going to put on this cap. Okay, but if you don't have VIP, it's okay because it still look beautiful even without this item. I'm going to choose only cape light air and I'm going to color it with this color. Okay guys, and this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to create Mother Gothel from Disney Tangled in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.